就让我们一起加入客家风情大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for another round of Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. This month I have no time. 这个月我都没空哦。
没空就算了，我也没空。
那我们就教完了吗？不是，我们就是要教你怎么说没空。
Okay.
We're going to teach you how to say I'm not free, I don't have time.
莫喊。
All right. 通常就是可能要约吃个饭啦，就会说啊，对不起，有事要没空。
对啊，
对不对？
要不然就问你今天晚上有没有空啊，一起吃饭啊。
So, you can commonly use this whenever you don't have time when someone invites you to have dinner. So let's hear a conversation like this.
安不呀，穷下來去食飯啦。
做唔得，我莫喊，我加班。
董大宋，汉一拜，張玉樓。
董大宋是什么？
很可惜
哦。OK， 我想他在爽什么嘞？
没有。
Anyways, let's break down the lines right here. Apparently, someone says, "Let's go have dinner tonight," and then someone says, "No, I don't have enough time. I got to do overtime, and it's such a pity. Maybe we can get together again some other time." 好，今天晚上一起去吃饭吧。
安不呀，穷下来去吃饭啦。
安不呀，穷哈来去吃饭啦。安不呀，就今天晚上，然后穷哈来去就是一起来去吃饭
啦。
吃饭啦。那对方说什么？不行。做唔得，那 means 不行，我没空要加班。
我莫喊，我加班。
我莫喊，我加班。做唔得就不行哦。OK, I can't 做唔得 ，can't。我莫喊就是莫喊，我们教了没空 ，I don't have time。要干嘛？
我加班。
我加班，加班 means overtime work。所以呢，真可惜，以后再约喽。
董大宋，
董大宋，
汉一拜张玉楼，
汉一拜张玉楼。汉一拜，我说下一次，以后再约啊。
以后就是汉一拜啊。
汉一拜听起来像下礼拜呢。
下礼拜是汉一礼拜。
汉一礼拜 ，OK，and 董大宋，
很可惜，
很可惜 ，What a pity. This is very useful. Let's review some of these phrases, such as I can't 不行哦，
做唔得，
做唔得 ，OK, and then to have overtime, work overtime, 加班，
加班，
加班 and finally, what a pity, 真可惜，
董大宋，
董大宋 All right, let's hear the conversation one more time.
安不呀，窮下來去食飯啦。
做唔得，我莫喊，我加班。
董大宋，漢一拜，張玉樓。
And this whole month, if you don't have time, you say 没空，
莫喊，
莫喊，下次再约喽，也下次在我们的 We Love Hakka 见了。
什么太嘎？
安子 say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.